Alright, I'm going to show you how to blog. So, what you can do, just other than me, what will show you how to blog is you can go to the prosperity theme and you can click on the training center. And then when you click on the
Hey, this
training
is Mike
center,
Hobbs, and
you can go to the recordings, and then he's got a number of recordings here. So, what you can do is just click on, I click on this little header right there, and so I go back, just click on that.
okay, so September.
And then he's got all these videos. So like if you scroll down and look on this channel, he's got all these videos, and there's some videos that show you how to blog in here. They show you all types of tips and tricks. I highly advise you to go through them. And but yeah, I'm gonna show you how to blog just to make it a little easier on yourself, so you don't have to go through and find it or anything like that. And just why not, right? So yeah, so I'm going to hover over here on your name when you're logged into your Empower Network back office. Click on My Blog. Right, next I have my own blog set up already, but you have to actually set up your own blog to get started. And you want to click this little plus button. You get a menu just like this. I have my picture there because it's on one of my blogs and just automatically shows up there. But yeah, and then see, I actually have all these blogs right here. It's just like popcorn, and some of these are just examples and stuff, really. But I mean, my blog, I'll leave it below in the description box. You can check it out, but it's JS Motivation, right? And yeah, see, this is my blog. It's all customized and everything. And these headers, right, you can totally change them, by the way, right? You can actually go to Fiverr and stuff like that. That'll be another training. I'll show you how to get your own banners and then upload them onto your blog, right? So you can totally customize them. They don't have to be, these ones are like, they're there by default, right? And if someone clicks on them, they'll get taken to a capture page that you had set up, and then, they'll watch the video and they could possibly buy from you, right? But yeah, I mean, this is just some stuff I blog about. Like, you can go through it for maybe some ideas or something, right? So I did a review. Reviews are very good for, to get some traffic and things. But I did on Crest Pro Health mouthwash, right? And some other people made some videos, and I actually had some issues. I actually had some staining on my teeth. I highly recommend don't using it. You'll see if you actually watch the video. But yeah. So there's a lot of good stuff. I mean, there's just some ideas. Okay. So yeah. So when you want to make your own blog, right? So you go to My Blog, and there's that plus button, right? So and then once you're actually at this page, you click Add New Blog, right? And you just make up a good friendly name. Like mine's JS Motivation for my main blog right now. But we'll do success formula. I mean, I already made that one, but what could I put? Just for example's sake, I'll just wealth on the fast track, and that doesn't really look the greatest or anything like that. And it's all mashed together, but that would be your link, right? And it's available, as you see here. If it doesn't work, if you click next, it's because it wasn't available. You'll see a little saying something that will be like unavailable. But yeah, and then you just have to make up something else. But yeah, and you can make as many blogs as you want. As you notice, I have a bunch, and you can make as many as you want. So you click next after that, right? And you get this message. It's going to take a little while for Empower Network and for them just to code everything and link everything up so you can have that as your new domain and the hosting and all that technical stuff that you don't actually have to worry about, which is great. And yeah, so it just takes like 20 minutes or sometimes even less, maybe more, like depending. But yeah, and then you'll have your new blog, and what your new blog, one of them should look like. If you go to like My Success Formula, right? This is one I created, and I know it looks a lot different because you can change. I can go in here and you can go to theme picker, and I just pick this random theme. But usually the one that I personally like, because you have the banners on it, is this one, which I currently use, and it's red for I was just messing around with it. But but yeah, you can totally customize it. You can go through here. You can change the colors here, play around with it. Like here, I'll make it all white, right? So now it's all white. You can change the colors, you can change the side where this sidebar is, right? You could, you know, there's all these options here, right? You go to navigation bar, right? All here, see this is vision, leadership, system. When people click on that, you can either take them out, like here I can take vision out and save changes. Now vision is gone, right? Or you can make your own tab. You could say, you know, maybe you have a weight loss website. You could be like, how to lose weight, or learn how to lose weight, you know. That's what you could do. Just for example, maybe you're in another business, like another business opportunity, and then you can just put the link there, and then when someone clicks it, they'll get directed right to there, right? So I can just put like Google, and then take the URL for Google, right? And I can just like highlight this, take the link, copy it, Control C, and then Control V, or you know, you can right click it as well. Like I can go right click, copy, and then right click, paste into the blog, right? So, and you can like save changes, right? And it says Google, and then when you click that, it's gonna take you to Google, you see? So that's pretty cool. You can direct people where you want to go, right? I mean, this is essentially your own website, your own everything. You can upload an image of yourself or whatever image you want. You can blog about anything. Let's say you're into, I know I've seen some videos, this guy subscribed to me, and he does art, like he draws like cars, he draws like Sonic, that, you know, the character, and he's really good at it. And his videos are pretty enticing. Has good music, but but yeah, I mean, he could totally like brand it and make an art channel, or I mean, well, not an art channel, an art blog, right? And he can, you know, put the title of his channel name. It was something like, I can't remember, but it was something along some art kind of title, and you can put that as your blog, and then, you know, you can share it, and then people would buy your Empower Network products, or if you want to sell your own products, you know, things like that, right? And he can blog all about that, all his YouTube stuff. You can put it on here and blog about it and do SEO. I'll actually show you some SEO as well. So once your blog is actually ready, this is how you're gonna add content to your blog. So you go to home, like you click, you know, you hover over here on your name, and then you click home, and see it says text. You hover over this, it says audio, and you hover over this, it says image, right, and video. So you click on one of these, whatever you want to do. I mean, you can actually mix and match, but you put your message title, right? So whatever the title of your content is. So you know, Rich Dad Poor Dad book review. I mean, this is actually a blog post that I did. So yeah, I'll leave that, you know, put that for the title, and then I'll upload the video. What I'll do is I'll actually go to my YouTube channel, and I'll show you what I would do for that. So I'm actually just gonna log in here. Close your eyes, because you just kidding. I want you to see my information. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab that video and actually just physically do it here, right? So let's grab that, right? Now just highlight this. Maybe if you want to grab a video off of YouTube, you know, just copy it, right click the URL here, and then whoops, go to here and add video, right? So you can add video if you're on the image one, just click image. But and then want to embed it from URL, right? I go Control V, add that video, right? And here's the video. So uploads it, and I can say whatever I want below it. Like I actually did in my blog post, right? I actually did a blog post on this. And then you can, right here, you can click, you can have an income disclosure of an affiliate, or, you know, a customer as well. If you want to put income disclosures below your content, and then you go here and always click public blog. Don't worry about all this other stuff. I've just learned, and I've always been told, to just click public blog every single time. so then, you know, public can see it and don't worry about everything else. And then, I mean, I have all these blogs here, but then you just click whatever blogs. I can click like JS Motivation, right? And then I can choose a category, right? And I have all these categories, but you can always just add a new category. If you click right here, it says add new category, and I can just put in reviews, but I already have one. I mean, I can type literally, you know, anything, but and then you just save it, as you see here, save, right? And you can just totally save it. And then here, it's really good to, grab, you know, 8 keywords, you know, phrases that are recommended. So really good keywords, you know, you can just literally take whatever you have, like if it's a long, if you have 8 words in your title, right, whatever you're trying to rank for, you can put that in here. Right, and a really good way to know if things are ranked or not is to go into Google and go to keyword planner. So the Google AdWords keyword planner, so just go into Google keyword planner, and then you want to sign in, right? If you don't already have a YouTube account or anything like that, you can just go in and, you know, create one. It's really easy, right? And then you just, you know, you sign in. Right, and then you just want to click this first one here, search for new keyword and ad group ideas, and then you can just click here and let's just copy and paste this title. So you can actually search for how many. This is something that's really good. Like, this is something that you want to use for every post. It doesn't matter if it's a video, if you just want to do a blog post that's in text, it really doesn't matter. This is just something that really will help you. Like, I'm not kidding. And by the way, you know, once you're done, obviously, like, that was pretty much it. You just publish. You just click publish, and it'd be published onto your blog. All right. I'm not actually going to publish that. This is an example, but so yeah, and it's the same thing if you want to go to, like, for an audio or, you know, text. You can just add image, so you can add image here. Right, and it's the same idea with the video, right? Just grab the URL, copy and paste in here, add image, and it'll add the image. Another thing that you can do as well is you can go here and you just click the add media button. So on any of them, you can click, you know, video, audio, image, and you can click it here. You know, the same idea, add media, control C, like whatever the link was, or I mean control V, control C, control V, and then add the link, add media, right? And then you can add it to anywhere, and like if you want to put some text, and then let's say you want to add an image, you can do that, right? As long as you're just selected on the image, let's say add some text, right? And let's say there's like a couple paragraphs of text, and then I want to add a video here. I just go to add image, and then I want to go, oh yeah, and you can add image, and then you could just control V, you know, whatever image, like you went to Google and you grab some images, right? And you just grab the URL of that image. So I can just go like plants, you know, if you want an image of some plants, and then you just go images, right? And let's say you want this one, right? Click on it, view image. Here's the full image. And you can you know, you can just grab the URL here, control C, and then go to your blog, and then, you know, control V, add image, and there's your plant, right? So you can remove it as well. You can put in multiple images. So my point is you can put it along here, but that's only using the add media, right? So whatever you want to put it, you can put it. So if you want to add text, put an image, add some more text, put a video. I mean, you can mix it up. You can do anything like that. That's what you can do. But this keyword planner will really help you, so you know if it's actually being looked up. Because if somebody's typing in something and it doesn't come up, like if I just made a video that was Jared, I mean, how often are people really looking up Jared, you know? And if I was talking about how to lose weight or something like this, you know, if my Rich Dad Poor Dad, you know, that book review that I did, it was actually a video I shot, and I just did a review on the book and what I thought of it and things like that, and if I recommend it, of course, and yeah, and I do recommend it, but of course, but yeah, so when I did that video, I actually took it and I did the keywords. So if you go to keyword research here, right? So here I type this in. I mean, you can play with some of this, but last 12 months or anything like that. Just get ideas, right? And then it's going to load up and it's going to show me, it's going to show me on average what people are looking for, right? So this average monthly searches here is 2,540. People are looking up Rich Dad, Poor Dad book. So that will rank because mine has most of the keywords in there, you see. And, Rich Dad, Poor Dad review. Rich Dad, Poor Dad review. That's 2,750 people are potentially looking for that. So I'm going to see my views go up. The video I have on YouTube, people they're also going to type this into, this is a Google keyword search, but this is also attached to YouTube. So they're going to be, they'll be on YouTube as well. If they want to see the video, they'll type it in there, or they'll type it on YouTube, and they can always click on videos when you're searching, right? And there's all these keywords. So even for when I'm doing a blog post and I want to put some more keywords, let me just go through here, public blog, I'll show you what I'm talking about. You select your blog, whatever, right? So there's 8 keywords or phrases, so you separate it by a comma. So I can take some of these here and I can go like cash flow, right? Because that's looked up as well. So another keyword, or like I have Rich Dad Poor Dad as a title, but I want to put that in the keywords as well because that will help you get ranked, right? So this really helps you. I mean, you can do this with any content or any articles, anything, any videos you're doing on YouTube or anything, right? I've had other training that I've showed you this tool, but just make sure you use this, because I've done things where they actually weren't even ranked. The keyword I wanted to type in, I thought people would type it in. It was close, but it was like such a low amount. Like it was only like 10 people were actually viewing it on average per month. So I mean, I really won't get much views off it. So I actually changed the title of the video. So yeah, this really helps, right? And I use this for this video, this one that I actually did, right? This review on this book. So yeah, and you can literally use this for anything, and it will come up, and it gives you ideas as well, right? So I mean, free Rich Dad, Poor Dad, right? I mean, if you want make money online, they give you ideas as well, right? So I can go make money online. Oops, I forgot the Y. And you click get ideas, right? Bum, 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 bum. It's gonna take us free. Okay, there you go. So and it gives you ideas, right? I typed in make money online, and it says make quick money online, right? So that's an idea 950 people on average are looking for. But I mean, you don't want to go too high. One thing I want to recommend as well, because like, especially if it says high, but like 18,000 people, I mean, you're competing with 18,000 people, that's quite a bit. Or even 114,000 people on average are looking, make money online, home, make money online from home. That's a high competition, so you're gonna have a lower chance to get ranked, but versus something that's like 4,000, right? That's quite a bit of views you could potentially get. Obviously, not everybody's gonna click on your video or your content, right? But you have a lot more of a chance if you selected this keyword instead, right? And they're all relevant. So make money a website, how to earn money from a website. These are keywords people are typing in. Right? And long tail keywords as well are a lot better in a sense, because you're really targeting people, and you can really target some of these people. If you look at some of these, they'll say like how to make money from Baghdad, or how to make money from California, or something, so that you actually know where they're from, and things like this, right? And our business, by the way, is international. If you don't already know, there's people all over the world that are in the Empower Network, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, and people, and then you see here it says make fast, right? So make money online fast. These people really want to make money fast. They want it quick, right? So there's that demand that they really want. So I mean, you can just find out the certain things with these keywords, right? So yeah, I hope that really helps. I mean, that's essentially how you blog, right? And that's all the kind of the tricks and the tips and the how-tos, right? I mean, this is kind of like Word as well. You can bold things, like I can highlight this gibberish and bold it, and just things like that. Make things enticing. Change the font and the size and things like that. So yeah. Also, I mean, you can link things, by the way. So excuse me. So if I want to link this URL, Control C, and then let's say I paste it on here, and this is like, let's say it's my Facebook, right? I mean, I could actually go to Facebook, but this is just an example. So I click on link, and I can just, you know, where I wanted that, click on link, and then I put in the URL here for your Facebook or, you know, whatever, right? And you can click open in a new tab or window. It's optional. And then you just click OK, right? And then see, now here it's clickable. So when somebody clicks it, it'll actually take them there. So let's say I actually click that. I mean, I can't because I'm in edit mode, but once your blog is actually posted, you can click that, and then it will take you directly to wherever you want to send them. So if it's Google, or if it's your Facebook, or it's a website, or it's a resource, or a video, or whatever you're sending them to, you click that, and the person would click that, and it'll take them there, right? So that's another little thing as well. But yeah, I mean, I hope this training really helped. I know it's gone along for a while. I can talk for a long time, but yeah, definitely. I don't even know what. Yeah, definitely check out something else. And I'm just kidding. But yeah, definitely go through the prosperity team further, and you can. I mean, there's a lot of training in here. There's a lot of good stuff. So, and if you haven't gone to the iPass Marketing Center yet, click here. Go to that and
Hey, this is Adam, and in this
watch this video first that pops up, and then go through the sales funnel. You know, go through all this stuff here, and just check it all out, right? Yeah. So make it a great day.